I'm going to sew that into there. Okay, so that's the final bit that needs doing to put the thing together. The next video is going to be embellishing it all, which I'm really looking forward to. So I hope you like what you see up till now. Just to have a little quick walk through. So you've got your main journal bit here, you come over to this side, and then you've got your diary here for the year. And then obviously you've got the back cover there. So when you close it up, you bring that one up and that one up, and you've got your two bits like that. So yeah, I hope you like it. I think it's absolutely beautiful. I will be back in another video to work with the embellishing. Hopefully you'll join me for that, and I look forward to seeing you all then. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so. If you subscribe, you'll get a notification when I'm ready to start the embellishing and walk you through all of that, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thank